So I've been working on a project that I have not released yet, but a guy was thinking, you know, if I lived in a apartment complex or someplace where I didn't have a garage, or I was living in a dormitory somewhere that I have limited space, like going camping and you have to fix something in a real quick jiff on your RV or just your camper. So if a person could not, that was a wind. If a person could not afford to bring, you know, his big set of drill bits and just could bring his drill, what would the tool I would bring that would be handy and compact? Well, the tool that I choose is this. It is made by Warrior. Harbor Freight carries it, and they're titanium, and they go from 3/16 all the way up to 1 3/8 inch. So, you know, you got a lot of playroom on a problem that you have. Now, when using these, you gotta have a drill or a cordless drill, and you have to have a 3/8 shank, which all common drills are 3/8 shank unless you got the small little guy. But so let's open it up. Got my handy sheep shears. And we're just gonna take one out. Might not be able to see that, but it actually is etched in there, the sizes of the steps. So this one in particular goes 3/16 to 7/8. So put her in there, lock her down like so. Okay, I'm gonna bring you in here to show you different sizes. Kind of was gonna suspect that. So here's my cord drill now. So that right there is 3/8 hole. That right there is 7/16 and a half inch. That right there is a 9/16 hole. So you get the picture. Neighbor's dog going nuts again. So if I had to pick a tool to put in my pouch or toolbox on the way of trip, or even glove compartment, I would pick this. So go out and get yourself one of these guys. They're pretty handy, or gals, or you know, the hobbyists in your life. But that's all I got for today's content. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Later.